Chairman Ubadeiru Utra jong Shillong Lajong Football Club Uba Larsing M Sawian ulapan pa kwa jing sngo benyao na marha ka ni ka kynhun ialehkai football jong kari ki baladan ha ka ni ka nongba Shillong kum shibenta ka jing pan kre bakan ya khun ya ka AFC Cup Qualifier 2027 persya ya ka Bangladesh ka banlong ha ka arpusan trik leber ha JN Stadium Polo kiladon amduna ya ka nyau haduk prangut ki player na Manipur katu ka ningot na Mizoram Henry Syllad kirang ialehkai na kajala Meghalaya. Ya kani uba larsing ulapan pau ha ka jingalang kitbok kitryang ya ka school Menken Christian High Secondary School kabalalong ha ka arpo artrik leber ha Hotel Center Point. Kum taru habayo iya kum kani ka jingjia na kaliang uba larsing ubanjor ba kapor kaladay banya shimlem ya ka jingkot jingmot bakongsan banya pai khamat batru ban treshitom ban penklan ya ka jingaleckai football nadu na terai ni grassroot kata ka jingshim kia nadu ka sorkar ka MFA ka SSA ki sunjuk ialehkai football ha ki district bar ki kynhun ialehkai ki badan hangni hapo ka jela banya trailang ka we ban la ban kenjo syak ta ka thong ban sandor ya ki rang ialehkai ki ban yo ban phong ya ka jersey rong blue jong kari.
It has almost 7 to 8 players from Manipur. It has a couple of players from Mizoram. But unfortunately, boys from Meghalaya are missing in this national team. So I think it will be a common resolution that we further work on the grassroots of Meghalaya football and jointly, both from the government, MFA, SSA, different state and district associations, and all the grassroots football clubs of Meghalaya, we all have to work together towards creating football players that will wear the blue jersey. And to see a local boy wear that blue jersey and play in Shillong is, I think, our next dream and agenda. At Lajong, we are proud to state that every Khasi boy who has played for the Indian senior national team has started his journey in Lajong. So we are very well aware of what it is required to build players, to spot players, to nurture players, and what are the qualities that are required for players to make it to the highest level. This is where I'd like to share to you that as you embark on this journey and as champions or runners-up of the Super Auto Cup, it means that each and every one of you have an opportunity to move forward and climb up the ladder of football, not only in the state but in the entire country. But to achieve, it's not only talent, it also requires a huge amount of hard work, as you will be aware, and also character. Your character, your personality and your humility are foundations that will help you grow forward and grow better. Each and every player that has made it to the top from Lajong in the last 20 years, I can share with you, have these traits. Not only were they talented, each and every one of them were very, very humble. Each and every one of them were very, very committed. And each and every one of them had tremendous personalities. They were really, really great people. Whether it was Rokos Lamare who started off early, whether it's Aibor Thongji, whether it's Eugene or any of the other boys who are now climbing up the ladder. All great boys with great dedication. And let me tell you, this is the era of football in India. The other day when I was watching the match, I was proud that though we didn't have any players from Meghalaya, there were 3 Lajong products in this Indian team today. Sana Khongsham, Mahesh Singh and Vishal Keth. These are 3 boys who are part of our Goal 18 program.